Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Ling. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to cook chicken dinner. Want to share with you guys 3-dish chicken dinner. Let's get started. First I'm going to prepare the chicken. I have 1 chicken breast. We're going to wash it. You can also use chicken fry, wash off. Dry it with paper towels. And just trim any fat. Then we cut into strips like this. Then dice it. Now we're going to season the chicken. Let me wash my hands. To season the chicken, we just add a little bit of salt, white pepper powder, mix, and some vegetable oil. I'm using avocado oil. Told you guys it's become my favorite oil. Mix. And just a little bit potato starch, or you can use corn starch. Okay, this is the chicken. We let it sit. So I have 1 green bell pepper, 1 red. I'll use half of each. Just cut a piece. And save that. Get rid of the seeds. And cut into dices. Okay, what else do we need for chicken, right? That's how I prepare my ingredients. I need garlic. So we also need garlic for the other 2 dishes. Then we just slice the garlic. Next, we need the ginger. I have a piece of ginger used before and saved in the fridge. Keep it fresh. Just need to cut into a few slices. Should be good. Next, we need green onions. I need the green onions for both chicken and the other dish. I'm going to show you guys what dish. Cutting off the roots. And the green onions I got very thin. You can see the white part is much shorter. So we cut the white part first. That's a lot, right? I will save the green. Okay, so we have the trio: garlic, ginger, green onions. So the second dish, we're going to make stir-fried cabbage. So just tear in the leaves. Now we'll tear them more into smaller pieces. So this is our second dish, stir-fry cabbage. For this dish, we need garlic. I already prepared. I need to use Sichuan peppercorns and also dried chili peppers. So that's for the cabbage. And did I tell you guys what kind of chicken dish I'm gonna make? We're gonna make cashew chicken. I have a recipe on my channel. So for that, we still need to make our sauce. For the sauce, we just need to add some sugar, kind of sweet and sour, right? In my recipe, I use soy sauce, light soy sauce and dark. Today I'm going to use oyster sauce. Should be similar. Dark vinegar. Water. Of course, potato starch. So this will be our sauce for cashew chicken. That's our entree for today. And what's the third dish? So the third dish is very homey, called the tomato and eggs. So I'm going to use 2 eggs. To season the eggs, just add a little bit white pepper powder, as I normally do, and a little bit salt. Just beat the eggs. I'm going to use 2 tomatoes, plum tomatoes. So this is a dish we say everybody can make it. It's very simple, very homey, so easy to make. I don't have a recipe video, but I did a live stream before. You can make this into a dish or into soup. You can serve with rice, serve with noodles. Actually simple but a very versatile dish and very comforting. And we are ready to cook. First I'm going to make a tomato and eggs. Let's add some oil. First we're going to make scrambled eggs. Now we're going to take out the eggs, set aside. Now we'll add a little bit more oil to cook the tomatoes. Add garlic, white part of green onions. Squeeze the tomatoes, to get the juice out. And we add a little bit of salt. Well, let this cook about a few minutes. After about 2 minutes, you can see our tomato is getting soft and the juice is out. Now we add the eggs back. And garnish with some green onions. Simple like that, right? Let me taste quickly. Wow, so hot. Temperature. Just need a little bit of salt. Our first dish is ready. And we're going to make a stir-fry cabbage next. So before we make the cabbage, I'm going to start with the bell peppers on this side. Just add the salt. So we'll get this started. Let it cook about a few minutes. Now we add some garlic and Sichuan peppercorns, optional. And I have 2 chili peppers. I'll stir fry about a few minutes. It only take a few minutes to cook. After a few minutes, you can see our cabbage is getting caramelized. Just need to add some salt. And quick taste. Wow. Crunchy, sweet, perfect. Okay, our second dish is ready. While we're cooking our cabbage, our peppers already got cooked and tender. Let me take it out, set aside. Now we add a little bit more oil, ginger, garlic, and white part of green onions. Yeah, we'll take a few minutes to cook the chicken. Wait till it's lightly brown. After a few minutes, you can see our chicken lightly brown. Now we add the bell peppers back. Adding our sauce. And let me taste quickly. Awesome. Now it's fun time. Add a cashew. If you need more sauce, actually we can add a little bit more water. And our cashew chicken is ready. Sweet dish dinner is ready. I'm ready. I have fresh rice here. What should I start with? It's chicken dinner, right? Let's start with cashew chicken. So delicious. Did you guys try my cashew chicken recipe yet? Sweet and sour. Cashew is delicious. Peppers crunchy. Next, let's try our tomato and the eggs. Very homey dish, comforting. Tomato eggs. Just so homey, comforting. As I said, you can serve over rice. You can also serve over noodles, and you can make it into a soup. Let's try the cabbage. Crunchy, a little sweet, and I tasted the chili peppers, Sichuan peppercorns. Really a quick stir fry. Please leave me a message below how you like this combination chicken dinner, and it's very nutritious dinner. And if you just use one of the dish or two of dish, like a tomato, eggs, and cabbage, you can have a lunch, or the cashew chicken by itself can be a lunch too, right? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.